For today's video, I'm opening the Ancient Guardians, and this one has 24 packs of 7 cards per pack. So let's get started. Alright. First pack. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful day. Blasting Dragon Slayer, Soul Formal, Oldoga Dick Calling, Wavering Eye, and I'm not gonna try that one. King of the Feral Imps, Your Sactic Departure. I like the cover of these boosters. Pretty cool looking. Let's see. Skull Meister. It's a pretty cool looking card. Keep you there. The King of Poisonous Snake. Ayers Rock Sunrise. King of the Infernal Apes. And Music Trade-in. And Miktansu. Looks a pretty cool card. Evil Dragon. Anata. Looks cool. Viper's Rebirth. Poisonous Snake. Megatonus. Looks pretty cool. The Mighty Dragon Slayer. Star Power. Light Serpent. And a giant teddy bear. Polari. Keep you up there. Eleti. Snake Rain. Light Serpent. Falgos. The Odotic Boundless. Zoha. Formal. And Harmony. Ignite Reload. Offering to the Snake Deity. Music. And Zoha. Quint Charge. Another Skullmeister. And Curious. The old dog deck light. Looks pretty cool. Pot of Riches. That looks pretty cool. Megatons. Dino Wrestler. Prankratops. The Ascending Dragon Slayer. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so the Snake Deity. Ignite Reload. And Megabilis. It's pretty cool. Light Serpent. Dino Wrestler. Polgos. Dinosaur Power. The Divinity of the Poisonous Snake. Scale. Fossil Cord. Fancy. Pot of Riches. Rock. Sunrise. Scale. Evil Dragon. Oops. And the Ascending Dragon Slayer. Draco Slayer. Blasting Draco Slayer. Igniter. Slider. Megabilis. Sunrise. Damage Eagle Reptile. Lust Pendulum. Origin. Megapolar. And Angelia. Trade-in. Dick Hollow. Dinosaur Power. Luster Pendulum. Megapolar. Megabilis. Meek Polar. Igniter. Deity of the Poisonous Snake. Hollow. Trade-in. Sunrise. Evil Dragon. Cute. Halfway. Offering to the Snake Deity. Dreame. Trade-in. Quint Charge. Viper's Rebirth. Snake Ray. And Megabilis. Alright. Viper's Rebirth. Origin. Wavering Eyes. Damage equals Reptile. Deity of the Poisonous Snake. Calling. Nayuya. Okay, that looks a pretty cool card. Let's see. Dreamy. Scale. Damage Eagle Reptile. Wavering Eyes. Mega Polar. Offering. Gracie. Rock Sunrise. Scale. Evil Dragon. Palladian. That's sending Draco Slayer. Igniter. Trade-in. Odoga Abyss. It looks like a pretty cool card. Alright, so what do you guys think so far? Good? Bad? Some pretty cool designs. Artwork. Igniter. Mega Bliss. Imp. Dinoster. Snake Rain. Calling. And Slider. This one's kind of hard. Alright. Hollow. Dinoster Power. Lustered. Mega Polar. Mega Billis. Viper's Rebirth. And Departure. Luster, Origin, Ascending Draco Slayer, Elite, Quint Charge, Zoha, and Water Lily. That card looks pretty cool. Origin, Wavering Eyes, Damage, Deity of the Poison Snake, Calling, Skullmeister, and Mika Tanis. Pot of Riches. Formal. Megatonus. Ignite Reload. The King of Poisonous. Hollow. McBillis. King of the Poisonous. Sunrise. Imps. Music. Trade-in. Elite. Mick Polar. Viper's Rebirth. Musica, Skullmeister, Rise of the Snake Deity, Light Serpent, Dino Wrestler, a Larite. This guy looks pretty cool. I got 2 packs left. Let's see. Scale, Evil Dragon, Ascending Draco, Igniter, Trade-in, Hollow, and Elegance. Looks pretty cool. Alright, final pack. Dino Wrestler, Rise of the Snake Deity, Dreame, Fogos, Pot of Riches, Sunrise, and Water Lily. Looks a pretty cool card. Sorry guys if I was butchering a lot of the names. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos and you guys continue to keep watching. I hope you guys have a nice rest of your day and hope to see you guys in the next video. Shijia.